for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweet.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give you a spring clean and decorate with me. This video is actually a throwback video. Some of you that are not new here will know this video because you've seen it before. But for some of you that are new here, this is definitely going to be a brand new video for you. But it is a spring clean and decorate with me video, and I am going to be decorating and spring cleaning my living room / family room area and just getting it all dolled up and ready for spring. Everything that I put in here is literally going to stay in this living room for summer as well. I am not going to be changing it. I might add some, new pillows or just new frames or whatever, but for the most part, everything in here is definitely going to stay the same. So definitely throw me up on your television or wherever you are watching me from. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Shushana, and on my channel, I do lots of home decor, seasonal decors, cleaning motivational videos, and some lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you are interested in watching, I do upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I would love for you to go ahead and consider subscribing. Definitely leave a comment down below because I love talking with you guys. Introduce yourself, leave your name and where you are watching from, and also make sure you double tap that bell for new notifications. So without further ado, let's go ahead and continue on into the video. Okay guys, I don't know what happened to the clip that showed me actually decorating this hutch, but I don't know, it just disappeared. I know I was recording it, but for some reason I can't find it at all. So this is what the hutch looks like after me decorating it. I wanted to still use a lot of the pieces that I have, but I just wanted to minimize on the inside of it because before it was just a whole lot of stuff. So I wanted to make it very simple and very minimal because in the living room itself, it's so much that's going on. So I just wanted this hutch to be very simple, but with the nice white milk glass. Y'all know I love my milk glasses, and the greeneries and some little basket weaves and just neutral tones. So I love the way that this turned out. Let me know what you guys think.
So long, I met you in
Okay guys, so the third place I want to decorate, or the third area I wanted to decorate is this hutch that I have in my living room. I just wanted to do something simple and plain. So I have these little white flowers. I'm not really sure what they are, but I picked them up from Walmart. And I just wanted to just put them in this basket, kind of just let them just hang over the basket itself. And I really, really love the way that this turned out. Sometimes simple is so much better. It makes like a really, really big impact. But it's still so elegant and just so sophisticated all on its own, though it elevates the space and brings a lot of depth to the space, into the area. So if you are looking to do something like this, just find yourself a basket. You can thrift it. You can go to TJ Maxx. They have baskets there for really inexpensive. And you can go to Walmart. You can go to Dollar Tree. You can go to Dollar General, wherever. Order it from Amazon and get some greenery, and you can zhuzh up a basket or a little area, or anything like that, to make your space pop for the spring season. You don't have to spend a lot of money, you guys. Just a little bit of creativity and some elbow grease. The next area that I am going to decorate is this console table. You have seen me decorate it before, but I wanted to do something different this time. So I had this basket that I thrifted about 2.5 years ago when we first moved into this house. And these florals I also got from Walmart like 4 years ago. And I love these florals, these stems. The reason being is because they are so tall. And I love that they are plain and they are neutral and they go with every single thing or every area in my home. So I just wanted to put it here because it gives like a grand entrance type of feel in this basket. And I just love the way that it turned out. Let me know what you think.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Leave this place, I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
So fams, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that it sparked some type of inspiration and creativity to go ahead and find a space in your home that you can decorate. Also, that you can use the things that you already have and you don't have to go out looking for anything new to decorate your home. Your home is an extension of who you are, so make it a place that is just for you and your family. Thank you guys so much for watching and for playing along with us. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Don't forget, Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Bye guys.
It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.